So while we were here, we thought we would go do the plane crash at Water Rock Knob. So, but it's really cold and windy.
Yeah.
But we bought hiking
terrible.
poles. We've been talking about it for like years.
Yeah, did you ever tell them the story?
No.
Oh. Yeah, I guess we were just kind of walking one day and it was kind of steep. And these people were behind us and they were coming up really fast. And so we're like, oh, they must be on horses because it's a horse trail too. And all of a sudden they whizzed past us. And they were all about 20 years older than us.
Yeah.
And they all had hiking poles. So
We're like, that must be the secret.
maybe we need hiking poles.
Because we've been saying, oh, we don't need them.
Yeah. Like, oh, hiking poles are for wusses.
Yeah, so we finally bought some.
We're going to kind of review
Test them
today.
out and see if it's worth it. This might be a tough trail to review them on though, because it's
True. We can put this away.
a little terrible, this trail is.
Yeah. But, yeah. Here we go.
Hey, this is the top. Here are your gorgeous views.
Whoa. Look at that cloud just going straight up in the wind.
Yeah, this trail is yellow blazed. I can't believe it's blazed at all.
Okay, this trail is, it was really boggy when we were here last time, but it's not so bad right now. I guess because we haven't had a lot of rain, but it's pretty cool. Very rooty and rocky and kind of up and down, but not too bad. This is a yellow blaze trail too. Yeah,
So that helps.
it does help. There's not a lot of actual blazes, but oh, there's one up there in this tree. And some bog. There's a yellow blaze right there. There's kind of strategically down the trail. Some cool rocks. Ooh, rain. Water coming off of the pine trees. Okay, it's getting windier. Maybe quiet for a second.
Yeah. Full tree and another yellow blaze. Oh, here it comes. We're on the top of the mountain now. Beautiful views. But this is where the trail turns off to the left. One goes that way. And this is the trail you want to take for the plane.
It's marked yellow.
Yeah, you can see the yellow right there on the pine tree. Oh, it smells good. There it is. I don't know if you can see it. It's actually really eerie looking in the fog.
I don't want to say too much.
So scary. It's thinking about it's scary, right?
Oh my gosh. So fast. It's probably like
Oh, true.
Like, what would you be thinking?
I bet God comes to you in that moment when you know
Well, that's
that you're gonna die, and he probably like gives you like incredible peace. That's what I would think.
I also feel like there would be part of me that would be
Get ready to meet Jesus.
excited, like,
Yes. Like finally.
put that that on our video.
Hey, look, there's our name. The inside of it's like annihilated.
Yeah. Look at those chairs. I bet it just went up in flames.
I mean, look at it. It's all over. Isn't it weird they can't clean it up?
Yeah. Because it looks terrible.
I mean, there's pieces even all the way over there.
Yeah.
And down there.
It's exploded.
I guess because it's on National Park, they can't clean it up, and they can't really. The guy at the ranger station told us that they can't even really tell you that it's here. So it's kind of just word of mouth that you find stuff like this, I guess.
They close on Tuesday, right?
Okay, so we're at an overlook on the way back. We're trying to get you guys some fall colors. I don't know how well you can see it.
Thunderstruck Ridge.
It is gorgeous.
Yes.
We can't even believe it.
It is gorgeous. It's like one of the best.
The
years
color,
I've-
yeah, this is one of the best years that we've had. It's breathtaking. Like, seriously, if you can just drive on the Parkway, do it, because it's amazing. And anyway, wrapping up our hike.
Yes. What did you think of the hiking poles?
I should really love them.
Yeah.
Going down those rooty and rocky places, it helped a lot.
Yeah, it saved your knees. It kind of helps you balance.
Yeah, it's like having extra legs.
Yeah.
That
Yeah.
trail's rough, but it's a really cool hike,
And it's really not that
it's
long.
not very long.
No.
I don't even know how long it is.
No.
I can't even estimate.
I don't
Less
know.
than
It's,
a mile,
it's
probably.
0.5 up to the actual overlook at Water Rock Knob.
Yeah.
And then probably another, I don't know, maybe even another just 0.5 after that.
Yeah.
Yeah, so maybe 2 miles total
Yeah.
out and back.
It's not bad at all.
Yeah.
But this
Yeah.
is just, yeah, it's beautiful. It's foggy, but we did get down below it a little bit so you can see the mountains.
I know, we couldn't see anything up from up top.
No, this is so beautiful. My favorite time is when it's still green too. Green
Yeah.
and colors.
Yeah.
It's just so beautiful.
Gosh, look at how they're going.
I know, I can't even. I mean, we live here. We've lived here all of our lives, and
Yes.
it's still like it's breathtaking. It's crazy. So beautiful. Kind of glad we didn't do a view hike though.
Yes.
I think it was probably a good
Yeah.
call during the
Yeah,
the
no, that
plane.
was a good idea. I was kicking and screaming at first because it was like the wind was like
we're in a tropical
ripping
storm.
past us, and fog was just like floating across.
Yeah, but actually, where we were down there, we didn't get a lot of the wind. It
No,
was,
we
it
were in
wasn't
the
bad.
trees. It wasn't too bad.
This is just beautiful. I don't even want to leave. I think even with the clouds, it makes it look
Yeah,
really cool.